Ourselves, not packing too tight, you know. We can't say take a step back and another step back, because otherwise you go off the back of the boat. But we just kind of hug up on the one you love, maybe, and that may solve the problem. So just hug up tight on your baby. Don't you know? I said mercy, yeah. I'm asking mercy, yeah. Just a little understanding, yeah. Said life is tough, I know it can be rough, but we got the good times just to make it seem like enough. 'Cause you're enough, and I'm enough, yeah. Sometimes don't feel that way, sometimes I feel like I wanna say, yeah. Sometimes I wanna give up, sometimes I wanna throw in the towel, y'all. Sometimes I wanna jump in the ocean and never come back, no. Sometimes I wanna bury my head in the sand like an emo or like an ostrich. But I know that that shit can turn me into a mean son of a bitch, yeah. Well, I gotta be with my friends, talk to somebody, who understands. Let loose what's inside or what's troubling me, don't you know? 'Cause that's just about the only way I know I'm gonna get free. I'm free, baby, free, baby, free, baby. Oh, hey, I'm free, baby, I'm free, baby. Oh, don't you know, don't the free, baby, I'm free, baby. I said we got to be, woo, oh yeah. Hey Max, break it down for us, just for one second. We salute you.